Hi, I'm Kevin Pickford with Keller Williams Realty. We're super excited to show you our newest listing in Rathdrum, Idaho. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, 1,800 plus square feet, sits on over 1/3 of an acre, corner lot, plenty of room for a huge shop. Let's go take a look.
This living space features vaulted ceilings, gas fireplace, access room, and it's also attached to the kitchen and the formal dining.
Look at the 2-person breakfast, large pantry, great kitchen, refrigerators included. This backyard patio is perfect. It sits facing east, which gives you the nice shade, perfect for a huge hot tub. This backyard is massive. It sits on 1/3 of an acre. It's a corner lot. Look at this huge area. Swimming pool, RV parking, put a huge shop, even has great access from the street.
When you think you have a 3-car garage, oh wait, but there's more. It's actually a 4-car garage. Hey, thank you for taking a look at our video. If you want to check out this house in Rathdrum or any others that we offer, please give us a call.